The GMC Yukon is more than just a vehicle, it is a symbol of American ingenuity, power, and luxury. For decades, the Yukon has been a staple in the automotive world, representing the perfect blend of rugged capability and refined sophistication. It is a vehicle that caters to those who demand the best, whether they are navigating the urban jungle or exploring the untamed wilderness. The Yukon is not just a means of transportation, it is a statement, a lifestyle, and a testament to the enduring legacy of General Motors' commitment to excellence. From its inception, the GMC Yukon has been designed to meet the needs of a diverse range of drivers. It is a full-size SUV that offers ample space, robust performance, and a level of comfort that rivals luxury sedans. The Yukon is built to handle the demands of large families, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals alike. Its versatility is one of its most defining characteristics, making it a popular choice for those who require a vehicle that can adapt to various situations. Whether you are towing a boat, hauling cargo, or simply commuting to work, the Yukon is up to the task. One of the most striking features of the GMC Yukon is its commanding presence. The exterior design is bold and muscular, with a distinctive grille, sharp lines, and an overall aesthetic that exudes confidence. The Yukon is not a vehicle that blends into the background, it demands attention and respect. Its imposing stature is complemented by a range of modern design elements, such as LED lighting, aerodynamic contours, and premium finishes. The result is a vehicle that looks as good as it performs. Under the hood, the GMC Yukon offers a range of powerful engine options designed to deliver exceptional performance. The standard engine is a 5.3-liter V8 that provides ample power for everyday driving and towing needs. For those who require even more capability, there is an available 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers breathtaking acceleration and towing capacity. Additionally, the Yukon offers a turbo diesel 3.0-liter inline-six engine, which combines impressive torque with remarkable fuel efficiency. No matter which engine you choose, the Yukon is engineered to deliver a smooth, responsive, and exhilarating driving experience. The GMC Yukon is not just about power, it is also about precision. The vehicle is equipped with advanced suspension systems that ensure a comfortable and controlled ride, even on rough terrain. The available magnetic ride control system uses sensors to continuously adjust the suspension, providing optimal handling and stability. Whether you are navigating tight city streets or tackling off-road trails, the Yukon offers a driving experience that is both confident and composed. Inside the cabin, the GMC Yukon sets a new standard for luxury and comfort. The interior is spacious and thoughtfully designed, with premium materials and meticulous attention to detail. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, and the cabin is adorned with wood and metal accents that add a touch of sophistication. The Yukon offers seating for up to 8 passengers, making it an ideal choice for families or those who frequently travel with large groups. The second and third row seats can be folded down to create a cavernous cargo area, providing unparalleled versatility. Technology is another area where the GMC Yukon excels. The vehicle is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and a premium audio system. The available navigation system ensures that you never lose your way, while the wireless charging pad keeps your devices powered up on the go. The Yukon also offers a range of advanced safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to provide peace of mind and enhance the overall driving experience. One of the most impressive aspects of the GMC Yukon is its towing capability. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 8,400 pounds, the Yukon is more than capable of hauling boats, trailers, and other heavy loads. The vehicle is equipped with a range of towing features, such as a trailer hitch, trailer sway control, and a built-in brake controller. These features make towing easier and safer, allowing you to focus on the journey ahead. The GMC Yukon is also designed with sustainability in mind. The available turbo diesel engine offers impressive fuel efficiency, reducing your carbon footprint without compromising on performance. Additionally, the Yukon is built using environmentally friendly manufacturing processes and materials, reflecting GMC's commitment to sustainability. In conclusion, the GMC Yukon is a vehicle that embodies the best of American automotive engineering. It is a vehicle that combines power, luxury, and versatility in a way that few others can match. Whether you are looking for a family SUV, a capable off-road vehicle, or a luxurious daily driver, the Yukon is a vehicle that can do it all. It is a vehicle that inspires confidence, commands respect, and delivers an unparalleled driving experience. The GMC Yukon is not just a vehicle, it is a legacy, a symbol of what is possible when innovation, craftsmanship, and passion come together. It is a vehicle that continues to set the standard for excellence in the automotive world, and it is a vehicle that will undoubtedly remain a favorite among drivers for years to come.